If you want to get 60 to 70% crazy prices when it comes to the Zara sales, there is a quick tip. I will mention that at the end of the video. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know the tip, guys. What's up, my stylish people? This is Ishank. Welcome back to the channel. This video is all about Shop My Wishlist for Zara's upcoming sale. So the first and foremost category which you need to target during the sale time for Zara would be the accessories. Yes, you heard it right. These are the ones which you need to target for Zara immediately the sale hits on. Because you guys ask me where I buy chains, where I buy the bracelets and everything. All of them are from Zara. Mostly all of them are from Zara. They are priced relatively on the higher side when it comes to the accessories for men, in specific for men's jewelry. But during the sale times, the lockets or the chains, the bracelets, everything will be discounted at least 40 to 50% off, which makes it a crazy bargain at 800 rupees. 800 rupees for a Zara necklace or a bracelet, which is of relatively higher quality when it comes to the other offerings such as H&M. This is the best time to buy them. Apart from the jewelry, in the accessories, there is another mini category to target for, which are the bags. Yes, if you are opting for a crossbody bags, if you're opting for any backpacks, Zara do have one of the best designs and also quality when it comes to the backpacks or a crossbody bags or a mini wallets. Now let's get into the important category and the most underrated category when it comes to the Zara are the shoes. Shoes means that includes sneakers, loafers, boots, everything. The first mini category of the shoes which you need to target for are the chunky shoes. Be it a chunky boot or be it a chunky shoes. These are the trend, and here you have to note that not most of the brands offer these chunky boots or chunky shoes. Only Zara, H&M and very few other brands generally offer these. So if you get this at a price points of 2000 or 2500, still it is worth, because you are going to get a high quality leather options, and also being the sole a very chunky kind of a track sole, it's gonna increase your height as well, and they're super durable. I have one of the option which I got for Black Friday, the chunky shoes. It's really great, guys. This trend, it's not going anywhere, guys. So it's better to invest this point of time rather than waiting for the Zara's next sale, which happened only at the end of June. Remember, only at the end of the June. The next option which I would go for are the high top sneakers. Zara is one of my favorite when it comes to the high top sneakers. They have one of the best designs. There is one of my favorite design in beige color, and also it is available in black color as well. That is super unique design with zip at the center of the high top sneakers. When it comes to low top sneakers, I would highly recommend to go for the retro sneakers in case if they are discounted. I doubt they will be discounted, but in case if it is discounted, I think you can go for the white version, because it has so much resemblance with the Nike Air Force 1, which is actually 7600. This one is priced at 3590, and if it is discounted at 50%, it makes a great deal. It's up to you guys. When it comes to the formal shoes, Zara have a preference of going with the full leather options that often leaves them at super higher price points. If you are a fan of double monks, they're priced at 7000 or 8000. But if you use the tip which I'm gonna mention at the end of the video, that will be saving you a lot of money, because you can get them as low as maybe 3000 or 2500 rupees after having that discount. I also like loafers a lot when it comes to the Zara, because Zara do have one of the best loafers when it comes to the durability and the quality of the leather. Having said that, the last option which I want you guys to focus are the suede boots. Why I'm saying the last option? Until and unless if you are living in a colder area, these are the options which you need to target at the end right now. Because by the time the product reaches you, in case of not any size hiccups, generally you would be using only from January 1st week or 2nd week. So by the time you use them 4 or 5 times, the winter is gonna get over. So it's not a right time to invest in winter wear until and unless if you want to build your wardrobe, which is actually a good thing. The third important category which you need to target during the Zara sale would be denims. That includes both jeans as well as the denim jackets. The basic denim jackets I'm talking about, because they are never going to be out of style, as Zara release them season after season. The exact same one. When it comes to the color combinations, if you watched my denim jacket video, once you have all the bases covered when it comes to the neutral colors, you can opt for different colors such as the brick red I have and also the white jacket I have. those are one of the best options when it comes to the colors, because those are the rare colors to find, particularly in denim jackets. They have best in class jeans and also different fits of jeans, starting from the straight cut, tapered fit, skinny comfort fit, slim fit, slanted slim fit, essential fit. They do have each and every fit nailed into their category of the jeans. Whatever fit you like, you make sure that you go for the jeans. But however, when it comes to the basic options such as basic skinny or basic slim fit, at least they will be discounted sometimes. Basic skinny, until and unless the sizes are over, or at least like 1 or 2 sizes are available in general, then only they will be discounted, and only those specific colors which don't have the size availability, they will be discounted, but not each and every color. When it comes to the basic skinny jeans, there is one of my recent favorite when it comes to the fit. I generally go for basic skinny fit or a skinny comfort to an extent, but Zara do have essential jeans which are actually 90s jeans, and these are the slimmer straight cut options which are slightly higher waisted. These are one of my recent favorites. Also, as I'm talking about the favorites, I remember the distressed or ripped jeans. If you want a cropped distressed ripped jeans in the basic colors as well as the faded or washed aspect to it, Zara is one of the best brand. Moving on to the category number 4, shirts. Yes, this is one category which I need to talk. If you want to go for a basics, please go for it. If you already have all the basics with you, just go for a different options when it comes to the shirts, because shirts are the ones generally which you don't use for a longer periods of time when it compared to the bottom wear. So you have to make smarter choices. In case if you have checker shirts, don't spend 1500 or 2000 rupees on Zara flannel shirts, because it's not going to be worth. Rather spend on printed shirts, because when it comes to printed shirts, generally there are not many brands which offer great quality and great designs. And that too, you have to consider that there is summer season coming up, not winter season. Summer season coming up, and most of the regions here in India, most of the times it will be super hot. So it would be a smarter choice to go for these printed shirts. A simple example I can give to you, because it's a winter season, each and every piece of the printed shirt right now, as of shooting this video, they are in stock. The moment the sale hits on, many of the people are gonna buy these printed shirts because they will get most value out of it during the coming months. So be smarter and go for the printed shirts. And the next option I would go for are the formal shirts, white and blue color formal shirts. Zara do have the super slim versions. I generally love them, but make sure that you go at least one size up. Yes, it contradicts the super slim and going one size up, but that's how it works when it comes to the sizing of the Zara super slim versions. The other option when it comes to the shirts I would go for are the color blocked shirts. Not necessarily the exact color blocking only with the colors, but also in terms of the patterns. As always, I will leave the link in the description below. Moving on to the next category, t-shirts. Yes, if I am you, I would go for basic t-shirts and few technical t-shirt options. I would concentrate on these options and also on the color blocked t-shirts, because that's the trend moving forward. Moving on to the next category and the important category, which are the overshirts. I'm not sure how many of you are gonna buy the overshirts and get most value out of it. That's the reason, even though this is one of the trend, these are my personal favorite. I have included this even after t-shirts because of this fact. If it is for me, generally it would be the first option or maybe second option when it comes to this list, be it a checkered overshirt or be it a solid overshirt, be it a denim overshirt, be it a leather overshirt. Zara do have each and every base covered when it comes to the overshirts, and also they do have different choice of material. So feel free to navigate using the links in the description below and make your own personal choice. Moving on to the next category, jackets and coats. Yes, jackets were covered in the denim jackets, but I included the jackets at the end because of the same suggestion which I gave you just a while ago in terms of the winter wear, how much you need to invest at this point of time. In case if you are living in colder areas, this is only applicable for them, by the way. You need to opt for trench coats and wool coats. This is the best time. Zara do have fantastic quality when it comes to the trench coats as well as the wool coats. Generally, they will be discounted very heavily during this time, considering that the season gets over. But however, only they will be discounted during the second or third phase of this sale. Moving on to the next category, chinos and normal trousers. Here the trousers generally I would go for are the technical drawstring trousers or a traveler trousers, you can call it as. These are my absolute favorite, and if you want to buy any soft denim chinos, Zara is the best destination. They are simply superb, guys, in terms of the comfort and how they fit. And also, if you want the wide cut chinos or if you want a limited version chinos, everything is available. But however, there is a different category when it comes to the trousers. Those are the checkered trousers or striped trousers. Zara do have few of the good options when it comes to the checkered pants or striped pants. Make sure that if you have all the bases covered when it comes to the trousers, you need to opt in these kind of different versions. Even the contrast side tape pants. There are different choices available. Moving on to the last category, which are the sweaters, cardigans and turtlenecks. This should not be the last category, I know, but the reason applies the same. But if you want to build your wardrobe, there are very good options when it comes to turtleneck. Turtleneck, they have two different options at a price point of 2,590 retail price. They will be discounted, of course, for sure. They fit you so well. They come in different colorways. And also, if you find them at a price point of 1,400 to 1,500, literally you can build your wardrobe for the next year, because those colors are not gonna change. But make sure that be smarter in terms of going for the color choices. The same applies even for the sweaters. Sweaters, they do have different patterns. This year in particular, they do have this geometric pattern, jacquard pattern, like they do have different patterns to it. The same applies even for the cardigans as well. However, I will leave few of my favorites or few of my suggested ones with the links in the description below. As you guys waited so patiently till the end of the video, if you did without skipping the video, the tip would be don't shop immediately when the sale starts when it comes to Zara. Yes, it may contradict. You must be thinking, what's the point of releasing this video and suggesting that don't shop at the start of the sale? There is a positive side to it and also there is a negative side to it. Let's talk about the positive side first. This is the tip which is coming after lots of research and lots of shopping experience from last 2 to 3 years when it comes to the Zara sales. Zara do have few phases when it comes to the sale. The sale starts generally at the 4th or 5th week of December. During the first 2 weeks, the discount would be somewhere around 30 to 40% mostly on majority of the products. However, once the sale progresses, every 2 weeks, remember guys, most of the times generally every 2 weeks, the discount is gonna increase. So it's an incremental sale. Zara follows incremental sale in terms of discounting their products. Their point of view when it comes to the business is to make most out of it, because most of the people thinking that they will not get their size, they generally buy most of the piece at the price point of 30 to 40%, right? That's the strategy. But however, if you wait patiently, but also ready to take the risk of this particular piece going out of stock and never coming back during the other phases of the sale, if you want to take that risk, for example, if you want to buy a black trouser, it's not a big deal, right? If you miss on the sale this time, you're gonna buy that the very next time. In that case, if you wait, generally you can get during the second phase. Every 2 weeks, the discount keeps on getting increased. And the sweet spot for the sale would be somewhere around January 2nd to 4th week. That is the sweet spot. There you can get 60 to 70% of discounts on most of the pieces, and always make sure that you keep on checking those pieces. Every now and then they do stock it up. Even though it gets out of stock, few sizes they keep on stocking in. That's their policy when it comes to the sales. But please don't be mad at me in case if your favorite product goes out of stock. This is the tip which is having positive as well as negative effect to it. In case if you want to get most discount when it comes to Zara sales, if you want to get Zara products at the price points of Roadster or Must & Harbor, this is the tip I would follow. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did so, please click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, guys. That's it for me. I will see you guys in my next video.